Now, when we're talking about that, we need to bring in a concept. We'll talk again later, but the concept of integrity. Integrity. Integrity is where your words and your actions line up. Integrity is doing what you say that you will do. I'll give you some bigger definitions later, but for the purpose of this particular module, integrity is making sure that the things you say and the things that you do are in alignment. So it's out of alignment, it's out of integrity to say, I am healthy, I am vibrant, I am youthful, I am energetic. And then you go eat things that you know very well are sabotaging all of those words that you just spoke. That's out of integrity. And your brain knows when you're out of integrity, your heart knows when you're out of integrity, your results will show you're out of integrity. So integrity begins at home. We often think of integrity of, I give you my word, I give you my word, and then I keep my word. We often think of integrity that way, but we have to back that up. Integrity is, how do we honor our own word? The promises that we make, and like I said, there'll be more on this, but for the purposes of this, when we're making these declarations, it's to be in integrity, to line up what we're affirming with our mouth. So, how did Jesus feel about mouth action? Think about it. Just, flapping the lips. Not so good. It must line up with our intention and our action. Put your money where your mouth is as it goes, right? Okay. So what does the Bible say? This is a powerful verse right here, and it comes from Job 22:28. Very powerful in my opinion. You shall also decide and decree. Now, a decree is very similar to a declaration, okay? You shall decide and decree a thing. Now, check this out. And it shall be established. Let's land there for just a minute. For those of you that have played victim, for those of you watching that have been saying things like, well, I'm just waiting on God, I would say to you as your coach, God's waiting on you.